friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share another look for the makeup with Saree series, and today's look is going to be this fiery red saree with golden cut crease eye makeup. This is definitely one of my favorite look, and when it comes to red, gold always go all the way. Now the first thing we are going to start off today is of course with the eye makeup. I am using this Wet n Wild color icon palette, and I'll be taking that beautiful rustic orange color from the palette and start working on the crease. First I will take my pack blender brush and apply the color from the outside corner to the inner corner of the eyes and slowly build up the pigmentation. Once I'm happy with all that, I'm going to take that warm reddish brown color. It also has a slight oranginess to it. I will start building up the outer V area further, intensify the outer V area more, and I will be using a compact blending brush as well as a fluffy blending brush to bring out the desired effect I'm looking for. I'm happy with all of that. I'm going to move on to my concealer. So I'll be cutting out my crease using this concealer. I'm using a flat shader brush. Be a bit careful when you're cutting this out because you really do not want to mess up the eye shape. Once done, I'm just going to take that beautiful gold pressed glitter from the Glitter Galaxy palette. I think the shade is called Quet Dreams. I'll be providing the exact name on the screen, so keep a look. And yes, I will be pressing this color on all over the area wherever I've applied the concealer. And be a bit careful again because you do not want to mess out the crease line which you have just cut out. So yes, take your time and do it. Taking a matte black shade, and I will start building up that color on the outer wing section of the eye look. As you can see, application of a matte black or deep colors are really good in this way. Here I'm using a small defining brush to apply that is point application. I'm taking the brush softly and also slowly lining up the crease to make it more prominent. After that, I'm just going to take a compact blending brush and blend the outer V out. After this, I'm going to take my Stay Quirky Matte Liquid Eyeliner and I will draw a wing liner. Now today I'm going to draw the wing into the wing of the eyeshadow. I'm not going to extend it further. I'm just going to draw it into that wing, as you can see. And once I'm happy with my eyeliner, I'm just going to move on to my face makeup first because yes, without it we cannot move on to the lower eyelid. So I've already applied the Color Bar Primer onto my face to save some time. So for foundation, I'll be using the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Foundation because it has a very beautiful dewy finish. Gives you a very healthy look. You can use any foundation of your choice. I am blending it out using a damp beauty blender. And after that, for concealer, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Then I'm using the LA Girl Concealer for contouring out the cheekbone and blend it out all using my damp beauty sponge from PAC. Once the base is all set, I'm going to move on to the same rustic orange color from the color icon palette, and I will take the color a bit at a time and build up the outer section of the lower eyelid, as you can see, and I will slowly smoke it out using a smudge brush. I'm also mixing a slight black into it to give it the smokiness which the upper eyelid has, to match it with it, and I will take my time to do this thing. After that, I'm going to take a bit more of orange and place it on the front corner of the eye, and yes, to make it a bit more orangey and not that blacky. I'm going to apply a mascara as well, and then I'm going to move on to this beautiful gold shade and pop the color on the front corner of the eyes to make my eyes look more brighter. Moving on to the face makeup, I'll be using my Freedom Contour Kit to contour the hollows of my cheek, the bridge of my, the both side of my nose and stuff, the usual places I contour. And I'm using a fluffy contour brush by Pune store for doing this. And after that, I'm going to use this warm pink color from the Freedom Peach and Baked palette, okay? And I'm going to pop the color on the apple of my cheek and mix it with the brown to give it a browny pinky look. For highlighter, I'll be using this beautiful Wet n Wild highlighter, and it is in the shade Precious Petal. I'm going to pop the color on the highest point of my face for that bling. For my lips, I'll be using this Scarlett O'Hara, a shade from Sugar Matte and As Hell Lip Crayon, and it is such a beautiful, gorgeous, warm tone red. And yes, the look is pretty much done. I hope you guys really like the look. This is such a gorgeous, fiery look, perfect for any Indian festival or occasion. And this is an amazing look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, I will see you guys soon with the next video for this saree series. Keep on watching. Take care. Bye.